Welcome. If you're looking to control who can delete stories in your Telegram group, especially after the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process to prevent other admins from deleting stories on your Telegram group using the PC app. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in and ready to manage your group settings. Next, find and open the group where you're an admin. This method only works if you have admin rights, so double-check your status before continuing. Once you're inside your group, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see 3 dots. Click on them. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Manage Group. This will take you to the main settings page for your group. Now, in the settings menu, find the section labeled Administrators. Click on it to see the list of all admins in your group. Here, you can manage the permissions for each admin individually. Scroll through the list and click on the admin whose permissions you want to adjust. A detailed permissions page for that admin will open. Look for the option called Manage Stories. Under this section, you'll see a permission labeled Delete Stories of Others. By default, this might be enabled, allowing the admin to remove any story posted by group members. To prevent this admin from deleting stories, simply disable the Delete Stories of Others permission. Once you've made this change, don't forget to click Save to apply the new settings. And that's it. With these steps, you've successfully restricted an admin from deleting stories posted by others in your Telegram group. This gives you more control over your group's content and helps maintain transparency among admins. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to check out more tips to keep your Telegram group safe and well managed. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.